creation. So today we'll log into operations with the welcome password and create our own user. So once done that, we will add two responsibilities. These two are the mandatory for
Recording in progress.
any developer. It's application developer and sysadmin. Then save the setup, then log out from the operations and try to log in with your new user. So whenever you try to log in with your user, then Oracle will ask you to change the password. We have to change the password and again log in. So once you log into Oracle applications, you could see only two responsibilities, application developer and sysadmin. Then again, I want to add one more responsibility. Let's say XML publisher administrator. Then we'll add one more responsibility to the existing user. So this setup will done today. Yeah? So the step one today, day one, is to log into Oracle apps with the operations. With operations user and password is the welcome. Then I'm gonna create a new user and add two responsibilities. We have to add two responsibilities. One is the application developer. The second one is the sysadmin. Then log out from Oracle apps. So we have to log out from the Oracle applications, nothing but a front end. Then re-log in. Re-log into Oracle apps with a new user. So when you try to log in with the Oracle application, yeah, it will ask you to reset the password and reset password. Okay. And then add a new responsibility. Add a new responsibility. That is the XML publisher administrator. So today, we'll complete the setup here. So we're going to create a new user and we're going to add three responsibilities. Two are the AOL, application developer and the sysadmin. The third one is the XML publisher administrator. So today we'll complete this. First put heading here, log into Oracle applications. Put heading, log into Oracle applications. Log into Oracle applications. Okay. Go to RDP. Go to RDP. Go to remote desktop. Go to open I.E. Internet Explorer. Open I.E. Open Internet Explorer. Next, enter URL. Enter URL. Enter URL. Next, username operations. Username operations. Password welcome. Username operations. Password welcome. Username is the in case sensitive. Oh, that means you can enter in the lower case or uppercase here. It will work like your Gmail. Gmail is the in case sensitive. May you can try with the lower case. May you can try with the uppercase. It will work. But password is the sensitive. Username operations. Password welcome. It's a lower case. Next, click on login button. Click on login button. Click on login button. Click on login button. Next, click on application developer. Click on application developer. Click on profile. Click on application developer. Click on profile. Click on profile. Click on profile. So By default, the profile form is opened. I want that. Just I'm closing the profile form. Note down here. Close profiles form. Close profiles form. Close profiles form. The shortcut is the F4. May you can use in your laptop here. F4 is the shortcut key. Otherwise, we can close this. Close profiles form. So right now here, I'm in application developer responsibility to create a new user. So application developer won't support. We should go to sysadmin responsibility. So I want to go to another responsibility. So I have to click on the switch responsibility button. Please note that. Click on switch responsibility. Hat symbol is there. You can okay, na? Click on switch responsibility button. Click on switch responsibility button. You have to go last here. Select to system administrator. Go last. Go to last and select to system administrator. Go to last and select to system administrator. Select to system administrator. Okay. Select the system administrator. Okay. One more is the system administration. This is the wrong responsibility. We have to go with the sysadmin. Okay, administrator. Okay. So now I'm into sysadmin responsibility, nothing but a system administrator. Okay. Just look into my screen here. Don't write anything. Later I will give the notes. To create a new user here, you have to go to security. Don't write anything. User, double click, then double click on the define. This is the navigation. Again, I will show. Double click on the security, double click on the user, double click on the define. So with this Oracle form, this form already developed by the Oracle. So with this, we are going to create a new user, or maybe you can add a new responsibility also to give the extra permissions to the users. Okay. So under the we have the one more that's the responsibility. So with this form, we are going to create new responsibility. Okay, this is a form here. So right now, I want to create a user. So we have to go to security, user, then define. So if you don't want this navigation here, there is option called a collapser. Just to click on the collapser, it will go to main navigations. So sometimes you are going to multiple sub navigations. I want to come to main navigation, main menu. Then so you have to use the collapser. So this is the best option here. Again, okay, you can go, you can drill down to another form. Okay, so now I want to go to security, user, define. So this is the navigation. Everything is the double click. Okay, so once you open the Oracle form here, this is the Oracle. So Oracle has given the two type of forms. One is the Oracle form, nothing but a D2K. We know, okay, na? The second one is the OAF, nothing but a self-service pages. Self-service page, nothing but a Oracle applications framework. Later you will get a chance. We'll okay now open the OAF forms also. Most of the forms are the Oracle forms. So this is the Oracle form. Okay. So whenever you open Oracle form here, you could see some yellow fields, white fields, and gray. Yellow fields are the mandatory. It's a required field. We can't ignore that here. We should enter some value. The second one is the white. If you want, you can ignore that value. The third one is the gray. Gray field are non-enterable, non-editable. Oracle will not take any input from you. The Oracle will populate some value. Or Oracle will freeze that column for security reasons or maybe some primary key. So Oracle will not allow you to enter some value in the gray field. Maybe we can enter in the yellow fields or maybe in the white fields. That's it. So we won't enter the value in the gray field. So yellow fields are the mandatory, white fields are the optional. That too here, whenever you enter any value, example here, username, it's a free text. You can enter any value. Suppose I want to enter the some Srinath. You can enter, no restrictions. It's called as the free text. The second one is called as the 1 minute. The second one is called as the LOV, nothing but a list lamp. We are calling it as the LOV or we can call it as the list lamp. So here, yeah, you can't enter your own value. We have to pick the value from the list. So whatever the value is there in the list. Example, okay, I'm going to add application developer responsibility. That's it, yeah. So you can't enter your own value. So coming to Oracle application, there are two type of fields. One is the free text. There I can enter my own value, anything, no restrictions. So the second one is called as the LOV, nothing but a list of values. Maybe we can call the right word is the list lamp. In the list lamp, as a developer, I can't give my own value. So we have to pick the value from the list, whatever the list is opening by the Oracle. So it's a two type of fields. Okay. So again, I will tell you, when you open any Oracle forms, you could see yellow fields, white and gray. Yellow are the mandatory, white are the optional, gray are the non-enterable, non-editable. And we could see two type of fields. One is the free text. There we can enter any value, no limitations. The second one is called as the list lamp, or we can call it as the LOB. There we have to pick the value from the list lamp only. We can't enter our own value. So now here we'll see okay how to create a new user. Then I want to add two responsibilities. So I'm going to here. Okay. Here I'm going to create a username operations. So can I create? I want to create a new user with the name operations. Is that possible or not?
Not, sir.
Why?
Already created, sir. You are logging on that operations.
Exactly. Yeah. So
Username must be unique.
username must be unique. That's the right word. Now, okay, I'm okay. Just by mistake here. I don't know whether the operations is there or not. I entered and click on the tab. Then there is a check is there. Oracle return some validations to validate the username. So someone already told username is always a unique in the system. Okay, na? This username is already in use. Please enter a unique username. Now I want to go with my username Ramu. For you guys, go with your name like a Venkatesh or okay, na? Uma Devi, whatever it may be. Just enter Ramu. So if the user already by mistake there, then Oracle will throw the error. Otherwise, it will allow you. So then come to password. I'm entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the password here. So then I'm clicking on the tab. I'm going to click on the keyboard tab. So once I click on the keyboard tab, what will happen normally? Hmm. Hey, you open some form in front end, yeah?
It,
Some
it will
application.
go to next field.
It will go to next field. But here, yeah, just look into my screen carefully. I'm clicking on the keyboard tab. Again, it will come to same field. Example, you are going to create a new Gmail. Or you want to reset the Gmail password. How many times will enter the password? One time or
Two
two
times.
times?
Two times.
Two.
Two times.
The second one is called the confirmation, Gangadhar. So, okay, na? In Oracle apps also, we have to enter the 1, 2, 3, 4. Two times we have to enter. Yeah. Second one is the confirmation. Now click on the tab. It will come from the password. Okay. Enter a username as per your requirement. Then enter the password two times. Here. Same password. So better here. Don't go with the complex password. Okay. Just please go with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, you will forget the password. Then it is a headache to you. Okay. Na? So best practice. As of now, go with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Ram is the developer. Just assumptions. So we have to assign two responsibilities. Go to responsibility field. One is called as the click on the list lamp. Then assign some give the percentile. Or if you even if you're not giving the percentile, by default Oracle will take as a while search. Click on the find button. Then select application developer. Okay. So this is the one responsibility. I'm giving permissions to Ramo user. Then click on the second record. Then again click on the list lamp symbol. Then add one more responsibility, sys percentile. Even if you're not giving the percentile, no problem here. Click on the find button. This is the wrong. Don't use the administration. This the N is there. So don't pick that. Go down. You can pick the right one, system administrator. This is the right responsibility. Okay. That's it. Yeah. So on-site people will do these two things here. They will create a user, password, and add these two responsibilities, save, and they will send a mail to you in real time. So with that username and password, you guys will log in and reset the password. So with the operations, the Ramu created. Now I'm clicking on the save button. So this is the way to create a new user in Oracle applications. I will show again here. The navigation is go to security, under that user, under that define. Everything is a double click user. Okay. So we have to enter the username as per your requirement. Ramu, password 12345. Click on the tab button. Again, we have to enter the password 12345. Then click on the tab. It will leave from the password. Then go to responsibility. Click on list lamp button. Search with application developer. Click on find button. Then pick application developer. Then click on the second record. Then click on list lamp, nothing but LOV, list of values. Then search with the system administrator, find, then go down and okay, select the system administrator. Okay, otherwise you can double click also. It will work. Double click. So like that, you can add a multiple responsibilities. Okay, now you can add a PO responsibility, payable responsibility, order management. As of now, these two are enough for me to start my practice. Then click on the save button. So please note down here. Please note down. Navigation, security, navigation, security, double click, security, user, double click, security, user, then define, security, user, define. This is the navigation, security, user, define. Here enter username, enter username. So for me here, I'm considering the Ramu. You guys please take okay, na, username like whatever the Ashok or Venkatesh or Sweta, whatever it may be. Suppose there by mistake with that username is already there. Then what is your plan? Go with the numeric 2, 3 like that. Okay, na? Like that create a new one. Maybe some okay, na? Oh, not only you guys here. Bob Rao given access to multiple students. Okay, na? They're also practicing. So please go with the some numeric like a 2, 3. So my username is Ramu. Then password. Password 12345. Password 12345. Password 12345. Next, click on tab. Click on tab. Re-enter password 12345. Re-enter password 12345. Re-enter same password 12345. Next, click on responsibility. Click on responsibility. Click on responsibility. Click on list lamp. Click on responsibility. Click on list lamp or LOV, list of values. Click on list lamp. Okay. Find APPL percentile. Find APPL percentile. Find APPL percentile. Next, click on find button. Click on find button. Click on find button. Okay. Select application developer. Select application developer. Okay. Select application developer. Okay. Okay. Next. Click on second record. Click on second record. Click on second record. Click on second record. Click on list lamp. Click on list lamp. Click on list lamp. Next, find SYS percentile. Find SYS percentile. Find SYS percentile. Click on find button. Click on find button. Click on find button. Go down. కొంచెం కిందికి రండి. Go down and select system administrator. Go down and select system administrator. And select system administrator. Okay. Select system administrator. Okay. Save. 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 Click on save button. Here, yeah, there is a save button is there, yellow button. Otherwise, what the standard shortcut key of the save?
Plus.
Control plus S is the standard keyword. So now we came to know two shortcuts today. One is F4, F4 for to close form. The second one is save records. Okay. So now, okay, now we got two shortcuts. F4, that's a function key. The second one is the alt key. It's a control plus S is the save purpose. Okay. Then close user window, close user window, close user window. Then close front end. మొత్తం క్లోజ్ చేసేదండి. nothing but a logout. Close front end. The right word is the logout. I'm going to logout. Logout. So if you want, you can close. Close. Okay, next, yeah. Put heading. Log into Oracle Apps with new user. Log into Oracle Apps with new user. Log into Oracle Apps with new user and reset password. Log into Oracle Apps with the new user and reset password. Now open I dot E dot. Open I dot E dot. That means Internet Explorer. Open I dot E dot. Enter URL. Enter URL. Okay. So now go. Now I want to go with the operations or my username. So forget about operations here. Now onwards, you guys please log in with your username. So even you do not have any permissions to work on some other set to learn that, yeah, that's fine. Forget about operations. Every day we have to use with your username only. Please, Ramo. So my username is Ramo. You guys don't take Ramo. Please go with your name. With what name you are going to create it today. Username. So myself Ramo. As of now, the password is the 12345. The password is 12345. Password 12345. Click on login button. Click on login button. Click on login button. Now it will ask you to reset the password. Yeah. The reason is the Ramu created by the operations in real time. The operations know the password, nothing but some admin person from the onsite. So that's why here, that means as a users, we have to reset the password. So the current password, it's a 12345. Please, yeah. Current password 12345. Current password. New password, please go with the 54321. 54321. Don't go with any complex password. మీరు మర్చిపోతారు, మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది, ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోతుంది. ప్లీజ్ గో విత్ ద సింపుల్ పాస్వర్డ్. Then re-enter new password 54321. Re-enter new password 54321. Re-enter new password 54321. Then click on submit button. Click on submit button. Click on submit button. Okay. So yeah. So today I created a Ramo user and I assigned two responsibilities. One is the application developer. The second one is the sysadmin. The second one is the dummy. Yeah. It's called as the indirect responsibility. Forget about that. By default, everybody okay, now will get it. This responsibility. This is the indirect responsibility. By default, Oracle will assign that. So no usage of that. You can ignore that. Now, okay, now click on sysadmin. Click on sysadmin. Click on system administrator. Click on system administrator. Click on define profile options. 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 Like close profiles form. The shortcut is the F4. Close profiles form. Close profiles form. Okay. So finally here I okay now login with my own username Ramo with the password of the 54321. Now my password is the 54321. Daily I will use the same password 54321. So right now here Ramo have access to only two responsibilities. So how you can say Ramo have access to only two responsibilities? By clicking on the switch responsibility button, we can say easily Ramu have access to only two. Forget about this in a dummy. That's indirect responsibility. So Ramu have access to only two responsibilities, either application developer or sysadmin. Okay, na? So I can go to switch responsibility button. There I can see okay access to how many responsibilities. Okay. Now I want to add one more new responsibility here. I want to give permissions to one more responsibility, that is the XML publisher administrator. So he want to develop a new reports, new BIP reports. So with this responsibility, we can now develop. So I want to give okay, na, access to this responsibility also. Please help me. మీరు నాకు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి. So how I can add that new responsibility to my Ramo user. Yeah, please help me. Go to security. That's a good. Same. Okay, na? Then
User
user,
define.
define. This is the navigation to create a user or to edit also. Edit means you can add a new responsibility or you can delete the existing responsibility. That is called as the edit. Now, what should I do?
Keep the username details like Ram and
I'm entering the username Ramo, then clicking on the next button, clicking on the tab button. Then it will throw the error. So this username is already in use. Please go with the new username. Okay. So just to look into my screen here carefully. Whenever we open any Oracle form, forget about the OAF. That's a different classic. There is called as the mode, MODE mode. Whenever you open any form, the mode of the Oracle form is the insert mode. That means the Oracle will think it is a new record. The Oracle is going to create a new record. Then, so whenever you want to update the existing one, then it is not possible. Yeah. So what we have to do? We have to move to the query mode. We have to move the form to query mode. Then we have to move it to the update mode. I will tell that how to move that. Okay, na? Whenever you open any form in Oracle application, the default mode of the form is the insert. That means Oracle will treat it as a new record. But my requirement here, sometimes I want to edit that. Then if you open the form and if you enter the record, that is wrong. Then we have to change the mode of the form to the query mode, then search your username. Then the form will be moved to the update mode. That I will help you here. So don't give username directly. So now I want to edit my record. I don't want to create a new record. So simply first open the form. Just my look into screen. Open the form. Then press F11. F11. That is the shortcut key. But in our laptops, sir, most of the laptops won't support F11. The reason is there is a Fn keyword is enabled. Fn function key is enabled. So in that case, you have to click on the Fn, then click on the F. Okay, na, F11. F11. You have to press two keywords parallelly. But in my laptop here, I did some setup to remove, I disable the Fn keyword. If you want, you can, no problem here. Otherwise, you want to use the Fn keyword, then okay, na, press F11, then press F4. So day one here, so you guys don't get confusion. The best one, don't go with that options. I'm showing F11. Then now the form of the mode of the form is the update mode. Sorry, query mode. Then I'm entering my username. Press Control F11. Now okay, na? The record fetched from the database. Now the mode of the form is the update mode. Now the mode of the form is the update mode. So you guys said it is hard for you day one. So I will give the simple navigation. Open required form. Click on this is a workaround, but don't use these options. So down the line, I will give that F11 control F11. That is the best practice. Click on the find button, enter your username, Ramu, or whatever it may be. Okay, na? Click on find button. Okay, that's it. This is a simple option. Don't go with the F11 and control F11. Down the line, I will help that. Okay, na? So now my okay, na, mode of the form is the update mode. Now I can add a new records. I can edit my okay, na, existing record. So this is about okay. Na? So now tell me here how many modes of the form will support. It will support insert mode. Then the second one
Query
is
mode.
update mode. The third one is called as the query. Three modes will support by the Oracle. Delete means nothing. Delete means you won't see record. Only three modes. Insert mode, then query mode, then update mode. Then only we can edit the existing record. So please here, put heading, add new responsibility, put heading, add new responsibility. Put heading, add new responsibility. Navigation, yeah. Security, navigation, security, then user, security, then user define. Security, user define. Security, user define. Click on find button, top లో ఉంటుంది. After the ఓకేనా ప్లస్ సింబల్ under the edit ఓకేనా click on find button, click on find button, enter username. So I want to go with my username. So for you, please take your username. Enter username, click on find button, click on find button. Okay. Click on find button. Okay. Now my okay na user came here. Click on responsibility. Click on responsibility. In the bracket third record. In the bracket third record. Click on responsibility. In the bracket third record. Then click on list lamp. Click on list lamp. Click on list lamp. Find XML percentage. Find XML percentage. Click on find button. Click on find button. Click on find button. Select XML publisher administrator. Click on find button, select XML Publisher Administrator. XML Publisher Administrator.